Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. So I am going to start a new series on Angular, and this is the introduction video of that series. So I will brief you what all the concept that we are going to cover in this series. So let me go to the next slide. So we'll cover how you can create an Angular application. First of all, we'll also show you how you can create your custom Angular components and how you can use it. We'll also see how you can do the data binding in Angular. What is ng directive? We'll see what is ng if, ng for, ng switch, and how you can use it. I will show you those things. And I will also show you how you can create a Angular service and how you can inject it. Okay. I will also cover how you can consume a REST API and how you can do a REST API call in Angular. We'll also cover the important concept routing in Angular. The concept like navigation will be covered. We'll also cover some concept like pipes and filters. Okay, and how you can create your custom pipes. We'll see that. After covering all the basic concept, I will try to show you how you can create a CRUD project using Angular as a front end and Spring Boot as a back end, and then we'll summarize this series. So this is about this introduction video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thanks.